What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Sat Show. You want to watch this video all the way to the end because I'm going to explain why I think Ethereum is going to head to 20,000 US dollars in this market cycle. As you can see, currently it's at around 1,650. It's pulling back a little bit, but yeah, just a couple days ago it was trading at a $1,300 and it started rallying up, and it's currently going towards the moon. If you guys want to hop on this crypto action, I actually have a deal for you. You get a free $30 if you buy $100 worth of crypto using SHAKEPAY, and I have a link in the description below. It supports both Ethereum and Bitcoin, so for any of you Canadian investors out there, if you want to get into crypto, use that link in the description below. So before you can understand why my price target for Ethereum is $20,000, you need to understand what Bitcoin halvings are. So after a certain number of Bitcoin are mined, miners are actually given half the number of Bitcoin per block than they were previously. And this happens at approximately every 210,000 blocks mined. And as you can see, after every single halving, the Bitcoin price runs up thousands of percentages, then goes down for a bear market until the next halving, and then it runs up again. And this chart is a little outdated. However, the last halving actually happened in May 14, 2020. And as you can see, Bitcoin is currently going to the moon at $40,000 right now. You can actually predict the Bitcoin price using a logarithmic stock to flow model. And as you can see, after every single halving, Bitcoin went up one regression band. And the next regression band is up here around $100,000. However, it usually goes a little bit above that, so I'm giving it a price target of $140,000. There was a lot of technical analysis that went into this price target. However, I'm just trying to explain it really fast so you guys could understand it. So I'm actually going to use this tweet that Kevin Svensson put out. I think he made this chart. However, it's a good explanation to how Ethereum is going to perform. And guys, go and subscribe to his channel. He's a really amazing guy and his TA is just solid. So yeah, after the halving occurred, Ethereum usually rallies with Bitcoin. However, since Ethereum is a lower cap coin than Bitcoin, it's going to move a higher percentage of return. So essentially, if Bitcoin goes 10%, Ethereum will be able to move like 20% since its market cap is smaller. This is the same for a lot of stocks and stuff. Smaller cap companies can grow faster. So yeah, according to the Bitcoin price, stock to flow, Ethereum should actually technically be hitting some number in a range between $10,000 and $20,000. Last time Ethereum ran from $45 all the way to $1,400, so the percentage difference was a lot higher last market cycle. So this $4,000 to $20,000 bull run isn't so, I guess, it isn't so impossible. Now, there's only one thing that I disagree with, and that's Kevin Svensson's prediction for the 20k Ethereum is actually the summer of 2021. And although I really hope that this happens, I don't think it will happen. I think that the peak will actually be more closer to the end of 2021, more start of 2022, because I do believe in the lengthening life cycle theory, and that's just saying that as the cryptocurrency markets get more mature, the cycles actually start to get dragged out and last longer. Now, the reason why we say the target is around $15,000 to $20,000 is because in the past, Ethereum is known to get up to 0.1 of a Bitcoin. That's about 10% of its price. And if Bitcoin rallies all the way up to 150,000, which is completely normal, then we will see a $15,000 Ethereum, and and the same thing applies to whatever number that Bitcoin goes to. If it goes to 250,000, we can easily see a $25,000 Ethereum. Ethereum has so much potential, such as decentralized finance, dApps, that means decentralized applications, and guys, like smart contracts in its own is probably a really bullish factor for Ethereum. And I think the future of the internet is actually on Ethereum. And I know that sounds a little crazy right now, but if you really look into it, I will do videos in the future going more in depth into this. However, yeah, just for now, just know that my price target for Ethereum is $20,000 and it's not a random price target. And yeah, once again, use my SHAKEPAY link in the description below to purchase some crypto. You'll get a free $30.